Test ride ko muna kuya. So, initial test is to check for alog. You have to check for alog. Alog is what they call the movement in the headset. I've never felt this free left and right movement though. So the trick is to wait on it. Just really stimulate the stresses that the fork would go into. It's so smooth. So it's been the smoothest it's ever been with me. Makes my bike feel brand new, man. Like, I swear. So we're gonna look for bearings and we're gonna look for a bike part. May pamalit kayo nito kuya? Ng bearing? Balikan mo? Balikan ko na lang. Matagal to? Dalawa?
Lahat na ano, palitan?
Palitan po.
Palitan?
Kaya anong mga ilang oras to?
Kasi
4? Kaya naman. Pag umuulan naman, hindi ako makapag-ride. Kung ano, pati bike, titignan na rin. Headset lang actually. Kasi ano yung threaded eh. Gusto ko lang pahigpitan yung threaded. Threaded siya na headset. Classic. So, kailangan na higpitan kasi may alog lang. So, we're here in Ross because this is my bike shop of choice. Surge is unavailable as he is busy for work. So, we're gonna have them fix my bike. Happy New Year to you. Hindi kita sasakyan ng hindi ka safe.
Rita na to.
Pwede makahingi ng quotation ng bearing.
Tignan mo natin kung ilang peraso yan.
Sige, sige.
Ano na tag 250? 911. Ano na bearing yan eh.
Okay. Okay. Game tayo doon kuya. Wheelset, palit na bearing. Tapos check up lang dun sa bike. So what I availed for was a change of all the bearings in my wheel set. I might even get new tires. If I feel crazy enough, I'll buy new tires. So since we're already in Taft, we're going to Ken Fried Chicken. Hopefully they have the tacos there as well. Sana meron silang dine-in area. Sana may parking area pala. Leguardo. So they're in Incomboy, which is the next street. Kuya, ito po ba yung Ken? Ito. Salamat. Salamat kuya. So we're parked nicely in a spot I can really enjoy my meal. My bike will be prepared by 4 PM. That's a good conservative number. The bike shops are open until 5. So we'll see. So prime parking here in Taft Avenue. Yeah, thanks kuya.
What's nakita nila? Is it a sign?
The 9. Yes, Bria tacos.
It's pork.
Pork. Ay, that's beef. And then the sauce.
Where did you park?
Done, man. Diba na park ako ni kuya doon.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you, man. Sarap. So these are the
Birria tacos.
Birria tacos by
Beef and pork.
Beef and pork. Amazing. Tagal ko nang gustong puntahan to. Hindi ko makapagpa-deliver kasi I really want to respect the food kung kailan siya bagong luto, nandun ka agad kinakain. So thanks a lot, Tots. You're the man. Never fails, never fails. So if you have the time, we're here in Taft Avenue, 500 meters away from LRT station Buendia. So if you're riding the train, you can ride the train, and it's a 500-meter walk. And I can tell you, these are some good tacos, man. So we're still early. The bike is done at 4 o'clock, and I'm full. So once again, I do highly recommend this place. So to find them on social media, it's ELPOCO Cantina at El Poco Cantina here in Taft. Check them out on Instagram at El Poco Cantina. So nagsisimula na ang traffic dito sa Taft Avenue. Just about time to get out of here. Hopefully I can find parking in Cartimar because I still have quite a bit of time until my bike is done. So we've just about arrived here at Ross Cycle Center. So we're gonna check out the damage. Hopefully it's not too expensive. So ang hirap dito sa wheelset ko, these are the Fulcrum Racing 6s. They come with sealed bearings, and the thing is, you have to have a mechanic with a contact that can find these bearings for you. Sira kuya, wala na, no?
Yun lang, tingnan mo naman yung mga...
Mahilog na nga eh. Second hand ko lang nabili yan eh. Yung headset kuya, okay pa?
Okay pa man?
Kadena at saka chainring, masabi mo okay pa yan?
Ayos pa.
Ayos pa.
Yun lang, headset. Talagang hinigpitan ko ng tubo ko.
Pero kung deads na yung headset ko, pwede naman tayo, may budget naman tayo kung may oras kang palitan.
Kaso ang problema, yun ang wala tayo.
Wala headset. So there's a specific amount of tuning that goes into fitting that kind of headset. Those are called threaded, where they use a thread to tighten the upper and the lower portion of the fork together. Unlike the usual setup now, which is to have the stem that just moves up and down the tube of the fork and is just held down by the compression of the stem itself and the headset top cap. Wala. Kailangan palitan yung
Talaga.
headset.
Dead
No?
yung ano niya, mga
Headset.
bearing niya eh. Wala kasi tayong standard eh.
Oh, yun na nga, ang hirap hanapin eh.
Hindi talaga makuha. Kasi kung ipilit natin, wala.
Matigas siya.
Matigas na matigas.
Pero safe pa naman ako dyan.
Oo, pwes. Pero
Hindi
ngayon
naman-
nga lang, talaga yung kalug eh.
Yung kalog lang. Pero kung ano, kung saan, hindi naman mababali yan.
Hindi, kasi krumuli yan eh.
Okay.
Ito yung Tryon ah. Marami yan doon siya ng headset na ganito.
Oo, mukhang doon na kay Tryon talaga mapupunta. So, I guess the one piece of advice that I'd like to give you guys is that wag nyong hintayin na yung piyesa nyo umabot sa point na kailangan yung outright replacement. Perform regular maintenance every 6 months. Have a mechanic check. Mas maganda nang you're only replacing the parts that need to be replaced rather than your bike giving up on you and getting a catastrophic failure. And the thing is about catastrophic failures on bicycles, they tend to be deadly. Pwedeng malaglag ka, pwedeng something pops, something breaks, and you don't want to be kissing the road and you don't want to be feeling the pavement and your skin being ripped off at high speed. So again, if you're looking for a bike shop that is well versed in these procedures and has the contacts for these bearings are hard to find, I can tell you. So again, thank you so much to the guys here at Ross Cycle Center. This is where you want to get your bike fixed, I tell you. Again, thank you so much to the people at Ross. I'm not gonna name names of mechanics because I believe that they operate in such a high standard na no matter who mechanic you get sa Ross, they're really an institution when it comes to bike service and parts. I haven't been properly on the bike regularly for the past 2 years and because I had to focus on other things and a lot of things that you'll soon find out about me as I progress in my vlogging. But yeah, I'm very much ready to get back into cycling. I hope that you guys learned something from this video. I hope that this helps you as a cyclist, as I would just like everyone to be safe on the road. I'd like everyone to have a roadworthy bike. Ayokong gumagastos kayo nang hindi nararapat, and gusto ko yung pinagagastasan nyo ay maayos na serbisyo ang natatanggap mo, maayos na produkto. So I guess that's mainly what I have to say for my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Actually, I can go to Tryon right now and have it done. I'll just go to Tryon right now and have it done. So we're now on the way to Tryon Marketing in Makati. They specialize in fixies. If you're looking for track bike parts, gusto yung mga exotic na frame for track cyclists, for fixie guys, that is the shop. That is like Christie's of fixies. Haha! Tryon, the Christie's of fixies. But no, don't quote me on that. Makagalit sila sa akin. Kasi magkamag-anak si Paulina at si Tryon. Ha! So we're almost here in Tryon Marketing. Actually, that's Tryon Marketing. Yeah, Tryon. Here we go, Tryon Marketing. So if you're looking for classic standard parts, this is the place to go. It's very important that you know the part that you're looking for. They go by codes or sizes. Hello po, threaded po na headset. So I didn't get to show you guys how the bearings were done. So they're smooth as butter now. Yeah, they're all up. So the bike has just been built up. You kind of need to build up the bike if you're gonna change the headset. Headset palit tayo. Napakaswerte ko kasi usually kailangan pa maghintay para mapagpagawa. So Thursday 4:30, medyo Hail Mary, they close at 5:30. Again, it's just a headset, something that's I would say very easy to replace, very easy to install.
Ito lang available na. 1 inch na threaded. Silk bearing. Ito silk bearing.
Yung may mas mura ba niyan?
Yung ordinary lang is 100 lang. Pero hindi siya seal.
Kakasya yan dun sa akin.
Opo.
Magkano yan?
2K.
2K.
Yan ang meron ng ganito.
Magkano kabit? Libre na.
100.
Titip ko na lang sa kanila yun, libre nyo nakabit. Titip ko na lang sa kanila yung 100. Tapos libre nyo na yung kabit.
Kuya, libre na daw kami.
Wala na bawas?
Wala na daw bawas. Libre na po.
Libre kabit. Okay, let's go.
Oh, ito na. Let's go. Let's go. Ah.
So if you had a more modern, non-threaded fork, this would be a one-person job. But since this is threaded, it requires a bit more hands to work on, and just that unthreading of the fork takes quite some time. So I've opted to have the whole bearing assembly changed to something they call a sealed bearing. It's 2,000 bucks as compared to the 100 peso part that we usually put in there. So it's an expense that has taken 20-fold the price of how I expected it to be. But again, this is my bike. This is something that I'd like to pass down onto my children in the future. So cleaning out the cups, where the cups would sit, is very important as it can hinder how the cup is seated into your head tube. Paano yan kuya? Hindi siya lapat na lapat talaga? Parang hindi siya lapat. Ganun ba talaga yan? Diba parang may ganun siya? Hindi na yun kailangan mas lapat.
Ito, lapat na.
Ito kuya, ito na likuran. Para medyo mataas pa to eh. Pakabila kuya, dito yung napit-pit mo eh, dito tayo. So ikutin mo lang medyo. Ito yung tama yan. Teka, ito pa ulit. Yan, better na. So this is the park tool bearing set. Kasama ba yung bearing pag pinipress?
Yes sir. Ngayon sir, pag pinakbok, nasisira ang bearing.
Iba kasi pag hindi kasama yung bearing, pag lagay yung bearing, hindi na makasya.
Oh. So from the previous cup and cone type bearing, bulitas and local lingo, I have transitioned to seal bearings and bearing cup. Will it fit properly without a log? Because that's something that I'm trying to cancel out right now. Those are the previous bearings. They have a not sealed bearing. They're ball bearings with a holder, and they go inside that cup. It's out with that and in with the modern solution. Okay lang yan, ganyan karaming thread kuya.
Kasama naman talaga yan.
Oh, finally, makakapag-no hands na ako. The problem with the old bearings were, they were so shot na it would go either right or left, and that wasn't very confidence-inspiring. So with the new headset, I should be able to do no hands now. I have never been able to do that on the bike since getting it, because I knew that that was an issue buying it second-hand, that the headset was shot. But now I think this is it, the Dia Compe. Test ride ko muna kuya. So initial test is to check for a log. You have to check for a log. A log is what they call the movement in the headset. I've never felt this free left and right movement though. So the trick is to put some weight on it. just really stimulate the stresses that the fork would go into. It's so smooth. So it's been the smoothest it's ever been with me. Makes my bike feel brand new now, like I swear. So this is the old headset from the classic bike. It's been used properly. I'm very glad it lasted this long without taking out the other parts of the bike. I'm now fitted with sealed bearings also in the headset, so it's sealed bearing day today. Here's the thing, with these sealed bearings, they still require maintenance. They require repacking as much as these do. So to get more life out of these parts, regularly go to your bike shop, a good qualified bike shop, a bike shop that knows what they're doing, that has the right tools. What I got was the Acompe Taiwan Co LTDs 1-inch headset, 26.4mm by 30.2mm. Okay, that's a wrap for Tryon, and that's a wrap for bearing day. Many thanks to the guys at Raw Cycles for taking care of my bike, doing the bearing changes, and to Tryon Marketing for having the parts that I needed. And I guess that's all I can thank them for. So my Fulcrum Racing 6s, I got these second hand. Good brake line, but the bearings were already shot. Na sabi nga ng owner na remedyohan na yung bearing. That's what they say for it's broken, but I don't have enough money to get the replacement parts, so let's try to make it work. You have to feel there has to be no vibration on this axle. And feel on the front. Pull that axle and you will feel no vibration. And that is how it's supposed to be. Let's get suited up. Finally. I was never able to do this before, as I had a bad headset. Now I'm free as a bird. Time check 9:40. Good ride, good ride. Time for some slurp.